What's up YouTube, Blackstaff Abe getting another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. And today we have a triple unboxing and review of these 3 models I got from Taiwan. There's this pretty cool airplane shop in the Taipei airport, so I decided to get these 3 models, and yeah, let's get into it. Let's start off with the Tiger Air, and I believe all 3 of these models are made from JC Wings. As you can see, we have this Tiger Air Taiwan model, and I'm not too sure about the situation about the actual Tiger Air company. Let me know down below if you guys know, because I believe Tiger Air is from Taiwan, or I meant Australia. So there it is. It's a pretty cool livery. Obviously probably can't use this model from our airport since it's meant for short flights in Asia, but just a cool model to have for the collection. Let's get this focused. There we go. As you can see, it just says Taiwan on the engines, which is pretty cool. Okay, and while I put the box away, I'll put the flight trainer facts right here for you guys. And I'm not used to doing these reviews anymore, so I forgot to show you guys the box. Just your basic box. As you can see, I would have loved to have the normal Tiger Air Taiwan livery on the bottom, but they didn't have it, sadly. And there's the back view with some facts right there you guys can pause to read. So yeah, let's get back to the model. There we go. So yeah, Tiger Air Taiwan. As you can see, we got the L1 door, some lettering across the fuselage. We got 2 overwing exit doors. As you can see, we have Taiwan on the engines and pretty cool tiger on the, or tiger design on the winglets. Tiger Air right here, and the registration, which is B-50015. And I'm not too sure why aircrafts from Taiwan don't have the flag on the aircrafts, but I'm not too sure why. And we have a Tiger Air tail right there, pretty cool. So yeah, this A320 is pretty nice. We have the overwing exit patterns and APU detail on the back. I'm not too sure if it'll focus on it, but it's there. Then we have the right side, pretty much the same, of course, except we have the cargo luggage doors right there and also in the back. And then we have a little green navigation light right here. I'm not too sure if it's visible on camera. And I don't believe there's landing lights detailed on this aircraft. We have the front view. You guys might be able to see the nose cone a bit. And we also have a view of the engines. Looks very good. And we have the top view of this aircraft. And let's get a bottom view. We got the registration right there, also on the wing, and a stand hole. So yeah, overall it's a pretty cool model to have in my collection. And yeah, let's get into our next aircraft. So we're gonna take a look at this aircraft that I got, this China Airlines 777-300 with flaps down. Let's get this focused a bit for you guys. Okay, so there's the box. As you can see, pretty cool China Airlines livery. And which is pretty funny is that China Airlines is from Taiwan and not China. And we have basic facts right there. And let's get into the model. So there it is. Luckily for me, it didn't get damaged on my way back from Taiwan. And here's the aircraft. And I believe this is my first 777 with flaps down. It honestly looks pretty cool. Let's get this lowered. There's the aircraft, as you can see. And And while you guys look at the left side, I'll put the flight radar facts right here for you guys. Alright, so to start off the review, we have the SkyTeam logo on the front, cockpit windows with windshield wipers detailed right there, nose cone detailed right there. I'm not too sure if it's too visible, it's in a lighter color. We got the L1 door right here, this little SkyTeam logo again, the registration at the front of the aircraft, which is pretty interesting. It is B-18003. And then we have the China Airlines titles across the aircraft, Wi-Fi box right there, L2 door, landing lines detailed right there. Then we have the flaps right here with our GE engines, overwing exit door, and then over here on the end of the aircraft it says Boeing 777-300ER with the registration again. As you can see, the flaps down is really cool. And then we have our tail, which I really like with the flower. And then here is the back view. You guys can see a better view of the flaps. And here is the right side of the aircraft. We got our cargo luggage doors, one right here, and I believe two right here in the back. So yeah, it's a very cool aircraft. And then we got our green navigation light, landing lights again, and I believe I didn't show you guys the red navigation light on the other side. Let's just show that really quick. Right there. And then here's a front view of the aircraft. Really nice with those GE90 engines. And we have a bird's eye view. And here is the bottom view. Stand hole and registration again on the wing, and also moving or tilting landing gear. And the plane does roll really nice, which is great. Or actually I lied, it doesn't roll that great. And let's check about, yeah, and this one doesn't really roll either. So yeah, but other than that, really these two aircraft are really nice. And let's just get into the third model. Yeah, so yeah guys, that was pretty funny. Almost killed my Herart here NG757 right there with the box, but yeah, that was a small blooper towards the end. So lastly, here is this model, Japan Airlines A350. So as you can see, it just has this typical orange box that a lot of these JC Wing models have. We just got 1/400 scale, computer generated image of the model, Japan Airlines Airbus A350-900, and the registration, which is Juliet Alpha 05 X-Ray Juliet. Side view is nothing too special, just an orange box. And here is the model. What I really like about these orange boxes is that it comes with these little fact cards right here. You guys can pause to read if you'd like. And this is my second Japan Airlines aircraft in my fleet. But the only problem is that they're both A350-900s. So I should probably look forward or look into getting a 787. But it's just that the Japan Airlines livery is kind of basic, but it is a really cool model to have. So here is the aircraft. Looks really nice, and I'll put the flight radar facts right here for you guys while I put the box away. Here we go. So to start off, we got the L1 door, pretty cool A350 cockpit windows, nose cone detail right there. I'm pretty sure it's pretty visible now. And then we have the L1 door, and I don't see, or actually it's right there, little tiny One World logo right there. It's not the greatest. And then we have the Japan Airlines titles across the aircraft, L2 door with another One World logo right there. Landing lights, and then we have our A350 engines right there. Green navigation light, and the winglets, which are painted red, which look pretty cool. And then we have our Wi-Fi dome right there in the back. And then UNICEF right there, which is a partner of Japan Airlines that I believe it's on every aircraft. Then the registration again, which is Juliet Alpha 05 Extra Juliet. And then we have our Airbus A350-900 titles with the JAL tail. And as we move to the back, you guys can see the APU detail right there, and the pretty cool, or interesting I should say, A350 wings. And I'm not too sure if the flaps are down on this aircraft. It kind of looks like it is, or it kind of looks like they are. And then we have the right side of the aircraft. You guys can see the big cargo luggage doors, front and back. Red navigation light on this side. Or actually, I don't believe they're detailed. No, there is no colored navigation lights on this aircraft that are detailed, but there are little light pieces detailed right here. Then we have the front view of the aircraft, bird's eye view, and the bottom view. Landing gear do tilt, and I believe these ones roll better with the stand hole and the registration on the wing again. The landing gear do roll better on this aircraft. So yeah, overall it's a pretty cool 3 models that I was able to get, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. It's kind of hard to have a consistent uploading schedule while being busy, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little 3 model review, and as always, thank you for watching. Bye.